Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather Gearhart and I make videos all about life, food, family, and fun. And today it's a little bit of life. A little bit of life that we're not all that thrilled about, to be honest, because we bought orange rolls, which are a family favorite, and went to turn the oven on and it broke. What are we supposed to do? Throw the can of orange rolls away? I think not. Instead, we're gonna see if we can make them on the stove. So if you don't have an oven and you wanna make canned cinnamon rolls or orange rolls, stay tuned and let's do this. So here's my oven, and as you can see, it does not work at all. It's totally broken. We have to get a new one. It's a double oven. It's insanely expensive. Not happy. So we're gonna try and make this on the stove. Okay, the website that I found said to use a heavy bottom pan, so I have a cast iron pan here, a lid, a cake pan, your rolls, and a towel. So it says to heat this up on medium heat. Grease this, spray it. I just greased it with some oil, so hopefully that works because I don't have any spray. So I'm going to put the rolls in here. These are orange rolls. And then we're going to set it inside this pan that I have heating up. Okay, so you put this in here, and then you carefully pour water around the outside to help it cook evenly but not make this float. Cover this with a towel and you put a lid on, and then you fold the towel up over the top so that you don't get any towel touching the heat. The reason for the towel is that it's going to soak up the steam that's rising so that it doesn't make your rolls soggy. And you let it sit. She said 10 minutes, but then also said that hers were done on the bottom after 6 or 7 minutes. So we're gonna leave this for 7 minutes and check it. It's been 7 minutes. We are gonna take this lid off. These look pretty steamy. Oof, not ready. Okay, 3 more minutes. Okay, I think mine's sticking, but we're gonna try it anyway. We're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna go ahead and grease this so that this doesn't stick, hopefully. And it says a couple minutes like this. Yeah, some of them totally stuck. Oh my gosh, this is an epic fail. Totally burnt on the bottom of that one. Oh man. Oh, well. Yeah, we're gonna go with big fat no on this one. I mean, in theory, this should have worked, but and it's sticking to the bottom of this too. I think it's too hot. And it pretty much just smells burnt. Yep. My precious orange rolls. Oh, jeez. Fail! The burnt parts and still frosted them because this is how much we love orange rolls. Or it shows our desperation. You choose. And it pretty much tastes normal with a slightly charred, you know, campfire feel. Pretty much tastes normal. Worth eating. Kind of. Worth eating if you don't have an oven.
Yeah.
Desperate times call for desperate measures, right?
Okay, this was a total flop. We totally ruined it. Rest in peace, orange rolls. But we gave it a shot, and I guess we'll just make them when we get a new oven. Hurry, please. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this informative and fun. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that and hit the bell so you're notified of every video I post, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. And until next time, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.